I really do love Hong Kong. The culture, the vibrant lifestyle, the amazing subway. But there's something I want to go and see before I come back. I actually just arrived in Hong Kong 2 days ago, and I'm leaving today. I'm gonna go to Hanoi, Vietnam. I want to experience a different culture, food, and a different pace of life. Hi, my name is Keenan. I'm born and raised in Salt Lake City, Utah. I'm 32 years old, and I'm an expat, and I wanted to share what it's like living across the world. Just vlogging my life right now, some difficulties that I go through, some hardships, and kind of getting through a social anxiety as well of trying to record and do what I want to do in my life. And honestly, it might sound crazy, but I want to be a YouTube content creator. So I really appreciate any feedback, and yeah, I'll keep trying, doing my best, making one video a little bit better than the last, hopefully. Let's jump right into it. My last day in Hong Kong. All right, we're back here. So this is Fairwood, one of my favorite Hong Kong fast food chains. I want to share like the ordering process real quick and how you kind of get your food in Hong Kong. And also, I used to be like a really fat kid, so I'm also trying to make sure I get my protein in and kind of achieve a physique that I can be proud of. Hmm. So here we have my breakfast. I got a piece of toast, a couple eggs, ham, and some steak. Over here, I'm gonna mess with my phones. I'm trying to get it unlocked from T-Mobile from the US right now. Okay. I took a little nap, feeling a little bit better. I definitely do get really tired. So jet lag is still kicking my butt. Today is my second day. I got here yet 2 days ago. So I took a little nap. I'm gonna start packing. Right now is about 4:24. My flight is 10:30. So the flight leaves at 10:30. So I want to leave to the airport maybe around 7 o'clock. Hit the bus stop around 7:30. Sometimes we have to wait a lot, so I want to be a little early. So I've got about 3 hours. Oh no, 2.5 hours. I'm gonna take a shower before I head on the flight. All right, so I just got out of the shower. Retinoids kind of causing my neck. I looked it up. That's pretty normal, but jeez, it's been itchy. So I'm gonna take a break off the retinoids for a bit. So trying to work on the skin to break out. But right now with the neck going like that, and it's been super itchy. Yeah, so we're losing weight. Trying to get the cheeks a little smaller, and maybe they sag less, so I don't look so frowny all the time. Why are you so serious? All right. My flight is in about. I need to leave this place about less than 2 hours right now. So I'm gonna get finished getting packed. So this is me just waiting at a bus stop. A super cool thing about the Hong Kong bus stops is that if you Google Map it, it'll tell you when the next bus is, but it's not always accurate. So just be careful if you're in Hong Kong. Arrive a little early, wait at the bus stop. The views are immaculate. It's always super warm here, and as you can see, we all have luggages, so it's pretty cool. The like getting to the airport with luggage with the bus is pretty easy in Hong Kong. All right, I'm gonna play some music here in a bit, but I'm just messing with the camera, trying to show you some of the views, and then I'm gonna hit the airport lounge and just eat some protein. So